In this video, we're going through the steps to successfully use Canva's Bulk Create feature. Bulk Create is a Canva Pro feature. To use Bulk Create, we need three things: a document, a spreadsheet, and a design template. Let's start by gathering the text that will change in each design. You can use Canva's Magic Write. Open a Canva doc. You can find it on the home page or under the Create drop-down. Once your doc opens, you'll see a plus sign or a /. Click either to bring up the Actions menu. The first action listed is Magic Write, Canva's AI tool. We want to ask Magic Write to separate the information using commas, so each piece of data will fall into its own spreadsheet column later. Let's try this prompt. Create a table for 10 quotes about being happy. Separate each quote into 3 different columns and use commas to separate them. Click the purple Generate button or use Ctrl+Enter. Magic Write quickly returns 10 quotes. Exactly what we need. At the bottom of the page, you'll see options for more like this and this but. You can use those to get even more results or tweak your prompt. Once you're happy, click the purple Insert button to drop the content into your Canva doc. Now we have a nice, clean doc with clearly labeled columns. Feel free to make any edits you want at this point. When it's ready, go to Share at the top right of the screen, then Download and choose either PDF or .docx format. Let's move over to Canva Sheets. You'll find it along the top toolbar or by clicking the +Create button. Once open, go back to the doc you just saved and copy all the content. Paste it into the first cell of your sheet. You may need to adjust column widths and clean up any formatting. When it looks good, go to Share, then Download and save it as a CSV file. This stands for comma-separated values, which is exactly what Bulk Create needs. These files will show up in your Canva Projects folder, not in your Uploads folder. Now that we have our CSV file, it's time to prep our design. Open a new template. Quote post, flyer, Instagram square, whatever fits your needs. Place the text boxes where you want them on the canvas. Then, go to Apps in the left-hand toolbar and search Bulk Create. Click to open. On the left, you'll see the Bulk Create panel. Click Select Data Source. You'll see options for Canva Sheets, HubSpot, Google Analytics, or you can upload your own file. We're choosing Sheets. Now connect to the sheet you just created. Specify the data range, e.g. A1 to D11, and click the purple Done button. Now it's time to link the data to your design. Click on one of the text boxes in your template. In the Edit toolbar, click Connect Data. You'll see a drop-down with the column titles from your sheet. Choose the one you want to link to that specific text box. Repeat this for each text element. You'll also see an Advanced Options button. Take a moment to explore it if you'd like to adjust any settings. Then click Continue. This brings you to the final screen where Canva previews each design using your data. You can deselect any rows you don't want to use, and when you're ready, click Generate Designs. A black bar will appear at the top of the screen, confirming the number of designs created. Click it to open the folder, or head to Projects to find them there. From here, you can edit, share, or download each design individually or all at once. And that's it. You've just used Canva's Bulk Create tool to automatically generate multiple designs from a single spreadsheet. It's powerful, fast, and surprisingly easy to use once you've done it once or twice. If you found this helpful, please consider subscribing, liking, or leaving a comment below, letting me know how you're using Bulk Create. Thanks for watching.